Traders, Anthony here. I want to just show you our results from VIP for the last week. So we started this at the beginning of June. So on this account, we're up just over $1,000. We had one stop loss taken out. A few went to break even, and then we had a couple that paid. But what I wanted to do with this video was two things. One, invite you to join VIP, and secondly, I want to show you something that could be of interest. Let's just have a look at these two accounts. This one is the MT4 account that the VIP signals come from, and this is a $49,000 account. The Tradingview account, I'm trading at 0.5% position size, and this account where the signals are actually generated, I'm trading at very conservatively 0.2% position size. So you can see we had one stop hit and we're up $82 on this one. Okay, quite conservative. Now I want to show you something else. And I mentioned this is the account where the VIP signals actually come from. This price, entry point, stop loss and TP, this is it. This other account that I've got here is an account that is the master account for my Forex account management service, and there's been some changes to this. Now notice the balance is different. This is $26,500 balance, and the other one is a $49,000 balance. Now let's come back over to this one. This is the account management service master account, $26,500 balance. As of last week, we shifted gears with this account, and I think we're going to see some really exciting outcomes. Now have a look at the trade. This is last week, custom period last week. Okay, look at the difference. So the account is half the size in balance, but it's twice the return in the week, 170 versus 80. Why? Well, we can connect your account to this, by the way. We're going to see some interesting results moving forward with this account. So this is the Forex account management service. I've upped the ante with this. I've connected it to the VIP signals so that it's going to take every VIP trade, but I'm trading this separate to the VIP account, right? This is the VIP signals account. Look at the number of trades, and this is the Forex account management service master account. Look at the number of trades, okay? So it's a different style of trading. I'd like to call it more advanced trading, but I trade this differently to the VIP signals. VIP signals I'm trying to keep within a certain strategy. This is trading a couple, 2 or 3 different strategies. In any case, VIP is successful. You can join VIP and connect your account automatically to copy these trades over to your account every week through TS Copier, or you can connect to our Forex management account, Forex account management service, I should say, and gain some different results. And the thing with this is we can increase the multiplier to increase the return on your account. Now I'm trading this conservatively. This has been traded at 0.1% risk per trade, and then during the week, towards the end of the week, I increased it to 0.2%. Coming back to this account here, this is being traded at 0.2%. This is the VIP signals. Each one of these is a 0.2%. You see over here, 0.2. Okay, but this one has been traded at 0.1, very conservative. Now we're going up to 0.2. So I'm thinking that a weekly profit is going to far surpass VIP. So we can connect your account either through TS Copier in VIP, and where you control this yourself. Here's the settings for TS Copier. You can import that into the program. All right, that's the VIP account, but go that next level, 100% hands-free on your part, Forex account management service, and let us trade your account for you. And this is the master account. You can see, if we click on that, it'll take you into the FX Blue. And you can see here, look at the equity curve. Very little drawdown, minimal drawdown, and a nice steady equity curve. Again, I've been trading this incredibly conservatively for the last 4 months. Okay, so it's only been achieving 2%, 1.5% per month, okay? But as I said, that's going to drastically change moving forward. Monthly return, okay, I think we're going to easily double this. So we're looking at, I think, 5-6% in this coming month should be the thing. But again, we can increase the multiplier on your account. So we can double this if you want. If you've got the leverage with the broker, we can increase it. So at the moment, I'm trading this with accounts 1 to 30 leverage. So it's conservative. But if you've got an account that's, 1 to 200 leverage, 1 to 500 leverage, we can double or triple the multiplier. Okay, so we can aim for 10% month, I should say, or more. Okay, so if you would like to hand over your account and let me trade it on your behalf, I'd be delighted. Get in touch with me. You can contact me through Telegram or the contact form on the website. Enter your message here and or just join VIP. It's only $19.95 a month, and you can connect TS Copier and automatically trade the VIP trades. But again, look at the difference. This is the last week on the Forex account management service, master account versus VIP. And again, the return, $82 on a $49,000 account versus $170 on a $26,500 account. This is going to continue on this trajectory. One more thing. When you join VIP, the aim of VIP is to help you become a profitable trader, not just to blindly copy signals. So we have an educational program. There's tutorials, there's VIP only, member only videos and tutorials. And we help you develop a trading plan so that you can be an independent, profitable trader. That's the idea of VIP. So with that, guys, head over to tradingwithanthony.com, jump on board with us. I'm making this affordable. It's only $19.95 a month. I want to share what I have. I think there's a need for this in the world. I don't need a lot back, but I don't want to give it away for free. And it's a trip to the sushi train once a month for me. You do that for me, and I will share everything that I have to do with trading the currency markets with you. So with that, have a great day. Safe trading as always. See you in the next video.